In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can insert bullet point in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. Here you can see this is our task and we want to insert this like bullet point. So we are clearing this. First of all, we need to just make this cell format to bullet point. For this, we are selecting these cells and click the right button of your mouse. You can see an option which is format cell. Go there. There is an option which is number. Go there and on the bottom of this tab you can see custom. Select custom. Here you can see general. We are clearing this and now we are going to insert bullet point. How we can insert bullet point in Microsoft Excel? Just press Alt of your keyboard and then enter 7. Now you can see there is a bullet point appear and then enter a space, then enter @ Now you can click OK. These cells are formatted into bullet point. Let's try this. Here if we write task and enter, look, this is showing as bullet point. If we write task 2 and enter, then this is also showing this, and if you drag it to last, you can see this is working fine. And now let's try with another types of bullet point. This is how we can do it. Select the cell again, then right click of your mouse as we already discussed, then go customs, and now you just need to press Alt and enter 9 of your keyboard. You can see there is a bullet point and space and enter @ then click OK. Now if we write task 1, you can see that there is a bullet point and drag it to last. Hope that you like this video. This is how you can easily insert bullet point in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching the video.